property number 2. We just finished this up. We actually have a few things left to do on this property, but I wanted to show you guys a sneak peek of the final masterpiece. Let's take a look. So if you watched the first video, all these walls were unfinished. They were brown. Come on in a little bit, let us see. Unfinished brown walls. We painted them nice gray. And that's about all we did in the garage. Added a new light, of course. Okay, so let's take a look at the inside of this and see the real work that we did on the kitchen and the rest of the house. So it looks a little bit similar to the other house video that we did, because most of the fixtures are honestly the same. We went with the white shaker, soft close cabinet, a little bit different style granite countertop. We got the same appliance package set up here, dishwasher, sink, and the white tile backsplash. We put all new light fixtures in this one. Same style, exact same type, rigid core, vinyl plank flooring. Okay, so that is the kitchen. We actually probably could have took out this wall, but since it's a rental, I really don't care. It looks good still. It's still got a good amount of room in it. And let's take a look at the living room. Okay, so this is the living room. Nice size living room. We painted all agreeable gray again, same floors. I was gonna paint this, but actually didn't want to when it all came down to it. We put new exterior doors all the way around this, including the garage. Nice new chandelier light. We didn't have to redo any windows, but we put blinds on the smaller windows since this is a rental. Come on through, let's take a look at the bedroom. So all these doors are the original. Did they come out how we wanted to? Probably not, but after the first renter trashes them, if they do get beat up bad, I'm just gonna replace them and upgrade them. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square feet. We actually didn't do the HVAC system like we did the other house, but when the time comes, we're gonna replace that. I did get it serviced though. So let's take a look at the first hallway bathroom here. So this was a lot different color. Originally, we had it refinished, reglazed. So we had that reglazed. Put a little bit of new hardware, new shower head. Other than that, we got a new vanity, countertop, sink, and mirror. Got those off of Amazon. New toilet, of course, towel rack. I like these LED lights from Home Depot. Those are really nice. Let's take a look at bedroom number 2. Pretty simple, nice little bedroom. I like to put this vinyl plank all the way through the house. It makes it easy. We don't have to have a tile installer. We don't have to have a tile installer come in and do any tile in the bathroom or other areas like that. But pretty simple, painted the doors, new handles, painted the trim, wire rack, and a ceiling fan with a light. So let's take a look at the master and check it out. So this is the master bedroom. We got a nice view of the backyard. We're gonna leave that open. The tenants will put a curtain rod there, whatever they're gonna put there. So there's no point in putting a blind or shades there. We'll let them take care of that. We know they'll do that. Master closet. Again, wire rack shelving, doors, doorknobs, new lighting. Lighting, I like to focus on a lot on my properties. It's very important to me, and no one wants to live in a dark house. So the master bathroom is pretty much the same setup as the other bathroom. Countertops, cabinets, toilet, and a reglazed tub. I like to use the same fixtures in every project now. So the same mirror, same light fixture, same towel racks. It helps me save material cost because I get them a whole bunch at once and then just keep them. And that is about it for this side. There's also a lot of drywall fixing that we had to do. If you remember, this house was flooded the day that I got it from the laundry box. So we had a lot of drywall we actually had to rip out. We stripped out all the carpet, demoed it nicely, and had them come in and fix that. So this is it, guys. This is pretty much the final walkthrough. We don't have a whole lot left to do. A few touch-ups on the paint, pretty normal. Wipe off the countertops, and we're gonna rent this puppy out. Rent for this in this market, Fayetteville, North Carolina, $1,385 a month. Current rental rate for this right now. We're gonna get that, no problem. I've had a ton of interest, and it's time to start processing applications. If you guys wanna learn more, hit me up in the comments, shoot me an email, and I can walk you through it. So in total, we spent right around $33,000 for this entire renovation. Now keep in mind, we did not do the HVAC. We did do the roof. Luckily we did. They probably had some issues with the roof because the drywall ceiling, it got wet, kind of messed up, crumpled down a little bit, and we had to get that replaced. So always, if I'm gonna hold it, we're gonna replace the roof right away, unless of course it is a newer style roof. And I almost forgot to mention, we also did put in a brand new driveway. So I used a different contractor for this one, and it was a whole lot better than my first experience. My first experience, these guys almost missed the concrete truck. It was waiting, they were at lunch. It was a horrible thing. Along with that, I found out about 2 weeks later, after the previous house's concrete job, that they took the second load and dumped it up the street in the ditch. So totally would not recommend, obviously. And these guys were top of the notch, showed up, performed, executed, didn't need a deposit, paid them when we were done, and they did a phenomenal job. So the house in total, we actually paid right around $66,000 to $67,000 with closing costs and everything as far as that goes. Repairs, $33,000 in repairs. And with a house like this, since we did buy it kind of distressed and we put in some work to it, in this neighborhood right now, I would guess it's probably worth, based on comparables, same square footage, same bedroom, same layout, same upgrades, it's probably worth anywhere between $145 to $155. Now that's not an appraised value, that's just my estimate. When I do refinance this property, we'll figure that out and see what it's worth, along with getting my money back out of the deal so we can go forward and do the next one. And if you guys did like this video, be sure to drop a comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe. On my mission from 0 to 100 units, well now it's actually 2 to 100 units, but we started at 0. Goal is 100 units, however long it takes, I don't know. But stay tuned on the mission. It's Ryan Troyer TV. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching.